Hey guys, today I'm making one of my favorite summer vegetables, and that is fresh corn. There are many ways to prepare fresh corn, but today we're making cream corn. Let's get cooking. We're going to start by removing the husk and the silk from our corn and place them into a bowl of water. Remove as much of the silk as you can, but trust me, you will not be able to remove it all. Using a sharp knife, we're going to cut the corn off the cob. And I just have a cookie sheet here to catch all my kernels. You want to cut just the top of the corn, just like this. Not too deep. Remember, we are making cream corn, so we're going to have to milk the cob. To milk the cob, I'm going to add this small bowl into this larger bowl. Now you can simply rest your cob on top of the bowl and using the side of your knife, scrape the cob to remove all of that sweet milk. I tell you, there is nothing like fresh corn. So tasty. So now we're going to add everything into the mixing bowl. Take a look at this. I cannot wait to plate me some up. So to this simple recipe, all we need now is a cup of milk. I like to use a half a cup of half and half and a half a cup of whole milk. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can add less if you like. I'm also going to add a half a teaspoon of salt and pepper, and this is to taste, and you might need a little more. And lastly, we're going to need about a tablespoon of flour, and this is going to help our mixture thicken up. Go ahead and give everything a good stir, and we're going to start cooking our corn. In a heavy saucepan, you want to add about 4 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to let that melt over low heat. Give your mixture a good stir and add it to the butter. Keep the stove on low to prevent from sticking. We're going to go ahead and place our lid on, and we're going to allow this mixture to thicken. You actually want to watch this very closely. It does not take this corn long at all to cook. So in about 20 minutes, we should have us a nice bowl of cream corn. We're at the 10-minute mark, and I'm going to go ahead and stir my corn. And mine is cooking a little bit faster than I want it to, so I'm going to add just a little bit more water because I want that corn to get nice and tender. Okay, we're going to cook this for another 10 minutes, and when we come back, we're going to be ready to plate. When I tell you this is the best, this is some of the best corn. When you can use fresh vegetables, please do. This is awesome. Guys, I certainly hope you give this recipe a try. It is a simple way to make fresh creamed corn. You will not be disappointed. I promise you that. Okay, always remember to keep life simple, and we're going to see you on the next one. Bye for now.